BTAG Innovations Magic Wand Set. It comes with the unit, the 3-meter long cable, the extension, and the M tool head. The M tool head has a concentrated pulling area. It is ideal for small hail dents. With the extension, it is ideal to work on a roof panel. The Magic Wand Set is focusing on hail damage repair. Small hail dents can be removed without having to remove the headliner. Here the dents are being pulled up one at a time. The dent gets pulled up. The overpulled dents can be knocked down with the carbon hammers. Being able to work from a distance makes it easier to repair the dents and to achieve a higher quality finish. If the center of the dent still remains, the dent is opened, up and pulled again. On top panels, it is always important to work from two directions. Here you can see on how the tool works on the roof rail. The lows can be pulled up. Again, being able to work from a distance allows a better finish and improves the blending process. The deeper dents are first pulled with the glue system, and the finish is done with the Magic Wand. If the dents are large, you start to pull from the side and move to the center. With small dents, you can go directly to the center. A couple of beeps per dents is all that is needed. The Magic Wand is used together with the levers and glue system depending on the type and size of damage. With larger dents, the center is pushed up first with the levers and the area can be smoothened out with the Magic Wand. In general, it improves the quality and reduces the repair time by more than 30%. It is a great finishing tool. Let's look at the difference in the tool heads. The standard heat pen is made for soft elastic dents as shown. Here you can see the tool head, and how it pulls up, the elastic deformation. The M heat pen pull is more focused, and pulls up more of the center of the damage. Here is a comparison between the small head pen and the M heat pen with the same type of damage. With a small heat pen, the center of the dent remains. Now the dent is pulled up with the M heat pen and the center is pulled more. The high spot is knocked down. The other dent needs to open up and pulled again. The dent which was pulled up with the heat pen still has the center, which is low. The dent which was pulled up with the M heat pen, the center is pulled up. Now you saw the difference between the different tool heads and the big advantage of the M heat pen and the Magic Wand can bring to you. For more information, visit our BTAG Innovation webpage. You can get more info on the product in the product list. There are also more single components that can be had. For example, longer cables, extensions, and holders for the tool. You can learn on how to use the T-Hotbox in our training section, by using our e-modules. If you select small damage in the e-module section, select the T-Hotbox module and attend the course. Thank you for your interest.